Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this part of the crab block videos, I'll be making the ward box and the key post and fitting them together. There's a couple things I want to mention before we get started. You'll notice that unfortunately some of the footage from when I'm forging gets kind of shaky, and that's because I'm filming on a tripod and the footprint is a little too close to the anvil, so all that energy is getting transitioned down into the ground and up into the tripod. You may have noticed in the last video of forging the key bows, it didn't do that, and that's because the footage in this video I filmed first and noticed it was a little shaky, so I made a new rig for filming. So that's why in the key video it was not shaky, so I shouldn't have that problem again. That's one of those kind of learning curve things, so please overlook the fact that some of this footage is a little shaky. So the second thing is that the day that I was filming bending the ward box, my phone actually died on me, so I wasn't able to get footage of that. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory how I bend it. And the last thing is when I'm drilling stuff, you might notice I'm kind of holding it by hand. Do that at your own risk. I'm just comfortable with doing that. It does bite me sometimes, but that's just the risk that I'm willing to take with it. If I feel that something's easy enough to grab in the vise or hold a different way, like I definitely do it that way as well, but sometimes to me it's just easier, quicker just to kind of hang on to it and do it. Alright, with that being said, let's get on to the build. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment below. If you're interested in finding out more about this build, then check out some of my other videos, and you can find more pictures and information on my Instagram at GreasyLuckForge.